Hello, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I'm based in Washington, D.C. My clients, however, are all throughout the United States. We help with all types of immigration applications. I come on here live to provide information, general information about immigration to people that may have immigration concerns or curiosities, or then maybe you want to learn a little bit more about immigration. So this is a great place to join me for a conversation on immigration. Please put your questions in. Just know that any information that I provide here is not taking your specific case into account. So if you want case-specific information about yourself, right? I don't know your immigration history. I don't know your immigration history, but I can give you something generally for you to get the best advice for you. You should have a consultation with an attorney. You can schedule one with our firm. We do represent clients all throughout the United States. And we can help with many types of immigration applications. So if you have humanitarian concern like VAWA, T visas, U visas, if you have employment-based concerns, if you want to get sponsored by an employer, or if you are being sponsored by family, you can certainly reach out to us. Or if you want to sponsor family members, of course, you can reach out to us or talk to us about citizenship. We handle all these different types of immigration cases, and we can help you navigate that and make sure that you're eligible for what you are applying for. Give us a call. We can do our consultations by phone, by Zoom, and of course in person. We have recently opened up our in-person consultations because we just moved to our DC office, and we're ready for you. We're ready to show you our beautiful new conference room. We'll post some pictures on our social media pages pretty soon for you guys to see and comment on, but it's lovely. I would love to show some of you in person if you would like to come and meet with us in person for a consultation. Again, we're in Washington, D.C. We are accessible to many folks in D.C., Maryland, Virginia, and of course, anyone that wants to fly or drive in. There's plenty of options here to reach us. There's train, there's plane. Everything is much simpler being in D.C. as opposed to in Arlington, Virginia, where we started our firm. All right. Anyway, if you want to schedule a consultation, you can do that right now. You can go to our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration is the handle, or our website, agarwalimmigration.com. Go anywhere there and you can certainly schedule a consultation. That will be by Zoom. If you'd like by phone, indicate that. Of course, you can also wait until tomorrow and call our office, or call now if you would like, and leave a message letting us know that you are interested in a consultation. And my assistant, Kriza, the wonderful Kriza, will give you a call back tomorrow to help you get on my calendar. So I look forward to meeting many of you. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can do it now through Facebook or our website, agarwalimmigration.com, or call us tomorrow at our office, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right, great. So I have many questions here from you guys, and we are live streaming on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook right now. So TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, we are live streaming. Feel free to put your question in, and I will read them out loud because I can't, I know that some of you are on different platforms. Okay, so I'll read them out loud before I answer. I always start off with a question of the day. Go ahead and put your questions in while I'm talking, but I think that this is going to help you if you're interested in VAWA or other immigration benefits, okay? All right, so this is a really common question. So many times I have consultations with people that are married to U.S. citizens or green card holders. They are victims of abuse in that marriage, and they're eligible to receive a green card through a process called VAWA. So many times they ask me, do I have to get divorced in order to qualify for VAWA, or do I have to get divorced if I file VAWA? The answer to that is no. There's no requirement to get divorced. You can continue to be married to your spouse if you choose to do so, but at least you have the possibility or the choice of leaving your spouse if you want, but it is absolutely not required for VAWA, and that is not a decision that you need to make if you are deciding on whether or not to file a VAWA application. So I do have clients that have chosen to remain married to their spouse. Some of them still live with them, others don't live with that spouse, but they choose for one reason or another to remain married to them. Many times it's cost, right? So they might not be able to afford also a divorce attorney, but VAWA does not require a divorce. That's a very important thing to know. You do not have to be divorced to apply for a VAWA. You do not have to get divorced if your VAWA gets approved. That is up to you, and that's a decision that you can choose to do or not do later. So give us a call if we can help you with your VAWA application. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Or you can go on our pages right now on our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com, and schedule your consultation right there. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States with all types of immigration applications. Look forward to meeting many of you during a consultation. All right, I think I saw someone here say, can I get divorced if I file for a VAWA, right? When can I get divorced after doing VAWA? You can get, if you've already filed your VAWA application, you can get divorced, right? So there's nothing preventing you from getting divorced. It's not going to impact your application. Obviously, any statements that you make in your divorce proceedings that are public records, you want to make sure they're consistent with your VAWA application, or make sure that there's an explanation for the discrepancy, right? So if you have different dates that you lived with your spouse in the divorce, or different reasons for divorce, you may, want to make sure that everything lines up with your VAWA application if you've already submitted it. But once you filed your VAWA, of course, you can get divorced the next day if you want. It doesn't make a difference. The divorce alone is not going to impact the merits of your VAWA case. Hope that is helpful to you guys. If you'd like to know more about VAWA, give us a call. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation to talk about your VAWA case or any other immigration case on our website, agarwalimmigration.com, or on our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration. You will see my calendar, you will see my availability, and you can choose a time that works best for you. If you're just meeting me for the first time, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney, and I help clients all throughout the United States and outside the United States with different types of U.S. immigration applications. Okay? All right. What are the most common reasons for getting a VAWA application denied? Right? What are the most common reasons for getting a VAWA application denied? One of the big mistakes that people make is not using an attorney to file your VAWA application, right? Sometimes people use a notary, notarios, or other sort of preparers that don't submit the right information. So number one, if you want to really bolster and make sure you submit the strongest application possible, you want to work with an attorney that does VAWA cases. If you'd like to work with us, give us a call. You can reach us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. The other big reason for people to get denied for their VAWA applications is having kind of inaccuracies or typos on dates and things like that in the VAWA application itself. So having conflicting information, or having information that conflicts with a past application that you've submitted. So that kind of diminishes the credibility of your VAWA case. So that's something you need to keep in mind. You want to have the most complete and accurate information. If there's a discrepancy or an error, either within this application or a previous application, you want to be able to explain that or admit that it was a mistake and explain what happened. So that is kind of a big reason to use a team that is well-versed in these types of applications. If you'd like to call us for assistance with a VAWA case, please do that. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. And you can also schedule a consultation right now if you'd like with me. You can do that from our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration is our handle, or you can do it on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. All right, I hope that is helpful to you guys. Give us a call. I would love to see some of you. All right, let me see what other questions I have here. Hey, Mohis. Nice to see you. Hi, Miguel. If you're joining me for the first time, guys, say hello. I'd love to see who's watching and give you a shout out if you want. How long does it take for siblings to get a visa? Oh, that's a great question. How long does it take for siblings to get a visa? So it depends on the country, right? So on the country that the sibling is a citizen of. So that's going to be the number one factor. But it is long, my friends. It is very long. To get that green card to enter the US or to have that status changed to a green card holder, if they're already in the US, it can take, I think the current time frame is at least like 15 years or something. I'm not exaggerating. So it's approximately about 15 years. So if you're considering sponsoring a sibling, or if you think that a sibling might eventually want to come to the US, you want to get that process started now. So that's really important. You want to get that process started now. Give us a call if we can help you with that. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Of course, check out our Facebook page, check out our website, agarwalimmigration.com. Our handle is Agarwal Immigration on all the social media platforms. So on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram. Those are all Agarwal Immigration. Follow us, like us, subscribe to us if you're watching on YouTube, and you will be notified when I go live. So we look forward to engaging with you here through these social media platforms, and you'll be notified when I go live. Okay. All right, great. So another thing that people ask is, if I file for VAWA and it gets denied, am I going to get deported? Right. So if I file for VAWA and it gets denied, am I going to get deported? So by filing for VAWA alone, you receive, usually, if you qualify, you receive in 2 or 3 months what's called a prima facie determination. So it's basically a pre-approval of your VAWA application. All right, so it's like a pre-approval of your VAWA application, which means that you have a qualifying application just on its face. Of course, additional background checks need to be done, but just on its face, it seems you have a qualifying VAWA application. So that shows that you have a qualifying application pending. So that can help you in any kind of removal proceedings if you are in removal proceedings, right? Many people can file for VAWA and they're not in removal proceedings. So that's something you want to think about. But if you receive VAWA, you are technically allowed to be here. So as of right now, of course, the laws can change. You're allowed to be here in the US forever, and you're allowed to get work authorization for continuously, right? So you'd have to apply, but you're allowed to get work authorization continuously. Some people also qualify for a green card through VAWA. So once you get VAWA approved, you can receive your green card. So many people can apply for VAWA and green card at the same time. So you want to make sure that if you do qualify for these additional benefits, you take advantage of them. So number one, you want to make sure that you know what you're eligible for. You're receiving all the benefits that you're entitled to. That's one of the best parts about having a consultation with an attorney. We can go through your case. We can go through the process. We can list out every type of benefit you can possibly receive by filing certain types of applications, if you qualify, of course, right? So this is something that you want to think about. Think about scheduling a consultation with us. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States with all types of immigration applications. We work with employment-based cases where people are getting sponsored for work visas. We work with humanitarian cases like VAWAs, T visas, U visas, and we also work with family-based cases and help individuals get citizenship. So we do handle a wide variety of immigration cases. We only work in U.S. immigration. We don't do anything outside of U.S. immigration, but we do have a broad range of services that we provide to a broad range of clientele. So I hope that we get to meet many of you. And if you have immigration questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. And we're doing our consultations right now by Zoom, phone, or in person in our Washington, D.C. office. If you would like to schedule right now, this is obviously better than waiting till tomorrow. You'll have the most availability right now to get on that Facebook page or to get on our website, see my availability, and choose a time that works best for your schedule. All right, give us a call or schedule yourself right now. Look forward to meeting many of you. All right. If your citizenship interview gets denied, can you renew a green card? So if your citizenship is denied, can you renew a green card? That's a really good question. So most of the time, unless your green card is revoked, your green card is still valid. So you may not qualify for citizenship, but you may still be eligible to maintain your green card. So that's something you can review. We can talk to you about it. Also, if your citizenship gets denied, you can appeal it, right? So there's a process for an appeal and to have a hearing to talk about your case and plead your case. So give us a call. You can reach us at 703-348-1663 or schedule a consultation on our Facebook page or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. Great. Can a person reapply if VAWA has been denied? That's a really good question. Can a person reapply if VAWA has been denied? If your VAWA application is denied for lack of evidence or for weak evidence, you may reapply with better evidence, right? So you want to reapply with something different and better. You want to address the issues that were present in the denial. So that is something, yes, you should be able to do. But of course, if you're denied for something that is not curable, for example, they found that you lack good moral character, you might want to wait and reapply to show that you've redeemed yourself, or maybe you did something barring you from adjusting status, right? So some of those things could bar you from adjusting status, and so that will not change. So maybe you apply for VAWA alone, and maybe you won't apply for VAWA and adjustment of status, but it doesn't mean because you were denied you can never apply again. You may be eligible for other benefits that you weren't eligible for in the past. So it's something you want to talk to an immigration attorney about to kind of figure out what your options are, what the best way for you to get status in the U.S. is. If we can help you, give us a call. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney, help clients all throughout the United States with all types of immigration applications. Okay. My wife got approval of her H-1B last week, and she is not in the U.S. Please advise. Oh, that's great. Congratulations. If she's not in the U.S., hopefully the case was marked for consular processing. If it was not marked for consular processing, you want to apply for a visa at the U.S. Embassy or consulate abroad. She would have to appear for an interview, of course, take the approval notice with her, and appear for an interview. Okay, hope that is helpful. Can I apply for a change of status from H-4 to F-1 online and inside the U.S.? So H-4 is an H-1B dependent. F-1 is a student visa. Yes, you can do a change of status, absolutely. So you're absolutely eligible to do that. Keep in mind that you are allowed to study a little bit on your H-4 status. So you may not really need to change to F-1 status. So that's something you might want to talk about. If you want to give us a call, you can reach us at 703-348-1663. Happy to have a consultation with you. Would love to chat with you more about your case. And we're doing our consultations by phone, by Zoom, or in person. Would love to see many of you in person here in our brand new DC office. Excited to show it off to you guys. Give us a call if we can help you with your immigration case. To schedule a consultation, reach us at 703-348-1663. And I didn't ask today, but please make sure to share this with others if you think it's important for them to join in this conversation with us about immigration. If they have immigration questions, share this post with your friends and family that might want to join us for our conversation on immigration or ask a general immigration question. And of course, like and follow us because I do not come on at regular times. I would like to change that, but unfortunately, got to go with how the schedule kind of opens up for the day. So I don't come on at the same time every day, but I do come on very regularly. So if you would like to be notified of when I go live, if you want to join me next time I'm live, make sure you like and follow us on our social media platforms, subscribe to us on YouTube, and make sure you do it on multiple platforms because some of them don't work all the time. All right. I'm not, Mara says, can you call me? Absolutely, we can call you. Call our office and leave your phone number. or submit an inquiry on our Facebook page. You can direct message us on Facebook or any of our social media platforms, and you can just give us your number and we'll give you a call tomorrow, or you can call our office 703-348-1663. All right. Great. Thank you guys. It has been a pleasure talking with you. I would love to chat with you more about all of these awesome questions that you guys have. Give us a call if you want to have a private conversation about your immigration case. I would love to chat with you about it. We go through all of our process, our timing, our fees. We answer all your questions. So it's very, very valuable information. Okay. Look forward to seeing you guys soon. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure to share this with others if you think they might be interested in joining us next time. And of course, follow us, like us, subscribe on all of our platforms. All right. I hope you guys have a great evening. I will see you very soon. Bye.